What's up everyone, Rockham here and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna teach you or show you how to make a video introduction for your Italki Tutor application. So what is Italki? Italki is an online platform which allows learners and teachers to connect and learn language online through video chat. So the site allows students to find online teachers. It is a one-on-one tutoring and teachers will earn money as freelance tutors. So if you are interested to be a tutor on Italki, you need to know or learn how to make your Italki video application or Italki video introduction. If you learned something in this video, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment down below so that I can also give my support to your channel. Thanks! So, welcome again on my vlog about how to make your Italki video introduction for your Italki Tutor application. So if you are interested to be an Italki tutor, you have the option to be a community tutor or a professional tutor. So if you want to have bigger pay, then you should choose to be a professional tutor that also comes with bigger responsibilities and of course greater requirements. If you want to have a simple class, then you can choose to be a community tutor, okay? So the decision is yours if you want to be a professional tutor or a community tutor in Italki. Personally, even though I am a licensed professional teacher here in the Philippines, I chose to apply as a community tutor because I have a regular job and I think I cannot give the demands and the responsibilities of being a professional tutor in Italki. So if you're interested to be an Italki tutor, go ahead and search their website online. And if you are planning to be a community tutor or a professional tutor in Italki, both requires you to make a video introduction of yourself. I made my video introduction for my Italki application, but I was not able to continue to apply in Italki since I was accepted in another company that also teaches language online. I just made this video as part of my vlogs to help you and give you idea if you want to apply as an Italki tutor. Before we proceed with the video introduction that I made for my Italki application, let us go through with the requirements for all the videos for Italki. First, you must appear in the video, of course. Second, you must speak in all the languages that you have listed. So I wanted to teach Filipino, English, and Bisaya, which is my native language. Do not provide personal contact information. Do not advertise or promote other services in your video. Do not use copyrighted music or any media for which you do not have the rights. So if you want to insert a music, just make sure that the volume will be lower so that your voice will still be heard, okay? And go to audio library in YouTube because they have copyright-free music. And do not shoot vertically or square videos. So make your video horizontal like this one. Be creative in making your video. You can make a script but do not read through it, just like I do right now. Okay, so first it's who are you? What are your lessons like? So what are the learnings that you can provide to your students? What is your lesson plan? Because in Italki, you will be the one to make your own lesson plan, okay? Number 3, show your personality, smile, and be yourself. Some other tips, keep it short. You can make the video 3 minutes to 4 minutes only. Be natural, do not read directly from the script just like I do right now. Speak in all the languages in which you are fluent. Think of your students. Mention Italki and dress appropriately. Record and upload your video in Italki. So introduction videos are a great way to introduce yourself to your students before your first lesson. Have fun, and if you have questions or concerns about your video, please contact Italki support. So that's it. And I have another tip. If you want to make your video editing, you can download InShot application because all my vlogs are edited through InShot. If you are not familiar with editing videos, call a friend to help you how to edit your videos, okay? Here's the video introduction of my Italki Tutor application. I hope you enjoy and you learned a lot, and I wish you all the best in your Italki Tutor application. Good day, magandang araw, mayong adlaw. Welcome to Italki. My name is Rakim Jade Ratcliffe, a licensed professional teacher from the City of Gentle People, Dumaguete City, Philippines. For the past 4 years, I've been teaching music, arts, physical education, health, and English communication skills for contact center service program in our school. Pero sa hindi pa ako naging isang guro, ako ay naging isang working student sa mga simbahan at ospital para matustusan ang aking pag-aaral. Tinuod gayud na ang kapobrehon dili ibabag sa kalampusan.
I love singing, dancing, acting, stage performing, and theater. I also love traveling, and I feel excitement when I discover new places. My hobbies are making vlogs, reading books, watching Hollywood movies, and I am also learning how to do makeup for women. My vision and mission as a teaching professional is to bring quality education to my learners. I am a friendly person, and my relationship with my learners is important to me. I want to influence people about the importance of sharing and giving back to the community. I find great joy in sharing my knowledge and skills to other people. I personally believe that grammar and development of accuracy is the key to fluency that gives confidence in communicating a specific language. My teaching strategies include lip exercises, conversational practices, listening activities, picture analysis, role-playing, and many more. My lesson is adjusted to the needs of my learner. The most important information that I have to know from you are your goals and objectives. I will give my best to teach and support you to achieve your language goals.
Let's have fun in learning English! Tayo ay magsaya habang natututo ng Tagalog. Magsadya kita samtang gakaton og Cebuano.